Hello and welcome to Africa and Beyond Television Network, and we are taking a look on what is happening in the nation of Zimbabwe without fear, without a favor. The grave of former Minister Dumiso Dabengwas is under threat after Makorokoza have started prospecting around it, and this is according to Newsday. We need to take a look onto this report and understand what is really happening and what is transpiring. So according to the headline, illegal miners threaten ex-minister's grave. And this is the picture of Comrade Dumiso Dabengwas, a former minister in the government of Zimbabwe, and is also a victim of ZANU-PF. He was arrested and he stayed in prison for a very long time together with Lookout Masuku. The news read that illegal miners, popularly known as Makorokoza, are threatening the gravesite of the late former Home Affairs Minister and ZAPU President Dumiso Dabengwas in Dabazinduna, Matabeleland North Province. The Liberation hero is buried alongside his wife Zodwa at Amaceleni in Dabazinduna. Dabengwas died in May 2019, aged 79, in Nairobi, Kenya, on his way to Zimbabwe from India, where he had gone for medical treatment for a liver ailment. His wife, popularly known as Mama Kumalo, died of respiratory illness in London in June 2015. On June 15, 2023. In an interview with Newsday yesterday, Mabuteni village head Harvard Pangwana said it was unacceptable that illegal miners were endangering the grave of the late national hero. The illegal miners are wreaking havoc here, and several homes are being threatened on daily basis. So this is what is happening, and this is the news, sad news, that Makorokoza are threatening the grave of former minister of Zimbabwe, the former Home Affairs Minister Dumiso Dabengwas. So when I'm looking at the history of Dumiso Dabengwas, is a man who fought for the liberation of Zimbabwe, is a man who was persecuted together with Lookout Masuku, and unfortunately, Lookout Masuku didn't make it long after they were released from prison. So what happened is they were charged with treason, but the Constitutional Court, the Supreme Court then found them not guilty, but they were kept in prison for a very long time. And Lookout Masuku then passed away just moments after leaving prison cells, and he was in hospital, he was admitted in hospital. So we hope and believe that the government is going to deal with this issue. They won't allow such things to continue happening. It's very sad to see such things happening. You know, we must be able to respect grave sites, but because of the love of money, Makorokoza do not care. They simply do whatever which pleases them. And remember, they are empowered Gananda, and they don't care about anything else except making money. So whatever which gives them money, they pursue. This is what we have for you. This is the report about Comrade Dumiso Dabengwas, the late. Let us meet in other episodes as well as other broadcasts.